to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Air Jordan 1 Racer Blue. Now these came out March 14th through the sneaker app. That's how I was able to cop them. So package arrived like I think last week, but I haven't had time to actually fully unbox it and look at it and do a review and unboxing for you guys. So they finally came back out with the iconic black box with red Nike logo. Previously, the previous drops, they have been red box with black logo, which I personally like the black box more. I just feel like when I see that, I know it's like a Jordan 1. It's just kind of their, you know, iconic box that normally comes with. So opening the shoes. So for me, I always keep my Nike order always in the box, so I take that out. So these are what the shoe looks like when you open them. Now whenever I looked at them, I was really blown away by the overall look of the shoe. I feel like it's a really clean, simple shoe, and then with, you know, blue hits on the inside. But whenever I looked at the bottom, I was blown away. I was surprised. I found it very cool looking. So for sure, I feel like this shoe is definitely gonna be a keep for me. Now the retail price was $170, so with tax and everything it was like $183 I think for me. But it was actually a little bit harder to cop than I would thought. So I actually tried to win for my size, which is a 7, but I ended up getting an 8, which is a Euro 41, and I wear a Euro 39 to 40. So these are a bit big, but they do still work. So looking at the shoe, I really like this flap that they did. It reminded me of the off-white Jordan 1s. So I know like the regular Jordan 1 highs don't have this flap, so I kind of really like this flap that they did this time. And then this flap is plastic. It's kind of like a PVC, and then on the behind it is kind of like a mesh kind of feeling. So definitely. And then like the parts right here, and then the Nike swoosh is all patent. And I also love that they did like a zoom kind of flap right here, which looks really cool. Overall, I think that the blue really does go well with the sole of the shoe. So looking at both shoes, now these do come with one pair of extra laces, and they are like a I wouldn't say it's a red, but it's like a reddish pink kind of coral laces if you look at it like that. So I think these it definitely matches the color on the bottom. So for sure these are what they look like. I love the bottom, as you can tell. Okay. Fit wise, they fit like a normal Jordan 1 high. The quality on these are not like shattered backboard quality for sure, but probably because of the patent that's around the toe box area, it will for sure crease up pretty good as time goes by. But I feel like this is a very nice color palette, colorway for people with a more simplistic style, but also having that hint of color that's on the bottom whenever you do walk in them. So for sure. Now looking at StockX, these aren't going for too much right now. They're like around $219, and retails $170, with tax is like $180. So for sure I feel like these are going to go up in price over time, just because these aren't a GR release, and I feel like after a while everybody's gonna start seeing that this shoe is very simple for people that you know, really like just a simple white shoe, can really appreciate this with the cool gray coloring block with the white and then the hint of blue. So I feel like that's this shoe, they actually did a really, you know, nice job on it. And looking at photos, there's not too much reflective parts on the shoe. I'm gonna show a picture of, you know, the reflective of the shoe on. But other than that, these are like your typical Jordan 1s. They do look a little bit wider, if you can tell. I'm not sure, I don't remember my Jordan 1s being like that, but normally I do wear a GS7. So for me, having a men's pair, I think this is like the first one. I've sold the other ones that I've had, but I'm definitely wanting to keep these. I feel like they're very simple, and you know, just the overall silhouette of the shoe is very timeless, so I'm 100% keeping it. Like I said, I love that they did the flap right here. So yeah, that is basically my first impression of the shoe. There's nothing else in the box, like your typical. They just come with one lace. So yeah, one extra lace. And so yeah, that is the first impression and unboxing of these Jordan 1 Zoom Air Blue Racers. I feel like I like this silhouette more than I think the first ones. So the all reflective ones that are like kind of black, and it's in the red box, I believe. So so yeah, that's my first impression of the shoes. I feel like over time these are for sure gonna go up in price. I feel like every Jordan over time will go up in price. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching my review and my first impression on the shoes. I know it's a pretty late video, but for sure I was able to get around and posting them. I will not be wearing them right now. I feel like I normally wait for a couple months before I unds a pair of shoes. That way, you know, normally when people get them, they would wear them instantly. So I would be wearing these probably in a few months. See if I can trade them for a size 7, because the 8s are a little too big for me. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more future videos. Have a great day.